G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here, now off the back of the amazing DWC conference down here in Melbourne and a couple of meetings and enablement sessions today. The theme of today was delegation. So being able to delegate your work or tasks or processes to Copilot to not just have a conversation, but to literally hand off full processes, let it do its task, even starting from your telephone or mobile or something like that. Give a task to Copilot, let it do its thing, and then come back and check on it. So here are 3 things that resonated with people today. All right, so literally just back out of the car, back into my office. Let's check on the progress of our sentiment analysis. So if remembering, we started that on my mobile phone. I was talking and I started the process in the car on my phone. Let's see what the end result is. I've opened up Cowork now on my desktop or my laptop, back in the office. Let's have a look, right? So here is the Cowork process that happened, right? If I scroll back up to the top, you'll see there's that prompt that I entered in on my phone, and here it is, right? So let's open up this sentiment analysis report and look at that self-contained HTML dashboard report, all based on my voice prompt in Cowork. And now I've got this amazing report. I've even got my filters, right? Sortable filters here. I can search. Let's go for search for Acme. And now I've got that filtering option as well, all right? Down underneath, I've got my recommendations. I've even got some drop-down menus here, or accordion-based type of content there. So that was what resonated today. Being able to delegate, hand off complete tasks to Cowork and have it go and do that thing while we're doing something else. Okay, next up, what about that meeting follow-up? You've just had your meeting, you need to generate some minutes, you've recorded or transcribed your meeting. Let's now create from that transcript, give a task to Cowork to summarize the meeting, get all the action items, to-dos, generate a Word document, and then also write the follow-up email to all the attendees and attach that document to the email. So I'm in Cowork. Let's hit our /. We'll find our meeting, go to our meeting. There's our meeting. Now, let's say, can you please review the transcript of this meeting? I need an executive summary, so just an overview. I need all of the discussion topics and a summary of those discussion topics. I also need a table of action items and who each action item, or who's responsible for each action item. And then I would like you to write or draft an email to all the attendees and then attach that document to the email ready for me to send. Now, one thing I forgot with that, I want to use a template for our meeting minutes, right? So I have got a document that I will find. So I've got, let me find that, meeting minutes template. Please use this meeting minutes template when you're creating that Word document. You will find the structure of how we want our meeting minutes written. So use the headings in that document and then insert the output from that transcript in that template, please. So there is our task that we're now handing off. So just think about this for a second. We've just had our meeting. Now we need to process that meeting. We don't want to be sitting there going through the transcript, writing minutes, taking all of that ourselves. Let's give that to Cowork. It's going to create that document for me, but not only that, it is going to then draft an email, body of the email, create the doc, attach the doc to that email ready for me to send. Okay, post-meeting activities all done, document created, minutes written, executive summary, to-dos in a table, etc., etc. Let's have a look and see what this document actually looks like. So you can see here, it follows the template that we provided. We've got our attendees, our exec summary, the agenda, all of our discussion points, the key points, the outcome of each discussion point. And if I keep scrolling down, we've got our action items table and also risks and issues and also our next meeting date. So that is all good and done and perfectly formatted and information included. Now, what about our email draft? So that is sitting in my drafts folder, not sent, but in my drafts folder. So here is that meeting. Is that email. All right. So nicely written. There we go. I've got the document attached, ready to send. Okay. So post meeting follow-ups, delegation, hand off to your assistant and delegate that to Cowork.